What's up, guys? Now, have you ever been in one of those really annoying situations like this? Or maybe like this? You know that feel, and so do we. That's where WALSUN comes in. WALSUN is a compact disc brake fingerprint bike lock. Only 220 grams in weight, it's so easy to carry. WALSUN locks onto the disc brake, providing durable protection for your bike. And you can use the cable lock for added security. WALSUN is fitted with an energy-efficient battery and low power consumption components. A single charge provides up to 3 months of protection. Your finger is the key to WALSUN. Just tap and within half a second it unlocks and you're ready to go.